everybody in our channel Learn Cooking. Today I'm going to do a different kind of food. I'm going to do indomi with ketchup. Instead of you buy it ready from the shop or greengrocer, you can do it at home easily with a simple kind of food or simple ingredients. Our ingredients are very easy and simple. You can do with little of ingredients or a little amount. I have spaghetti or pasta, as you can see, a little amount, small piece of tomato, green pepper. I have chopped onion, ketchup I did at home. You can find the video how I did ketchup at home. Slices of green pepper, salt and black pepper, spaghetti and butter and water. All of these are simple ingredients or little amount. I put green pepper and some of onion with a piece of tomato together in the blender and blend them or mix them together to make them soft with a little of water. With a bit of salt and a bit of black pepper, I mix them together. In a saucepan on fire, I put a spoon of fire. I put this mixture on the fire. I add ketchup spoon. Next, I add some water. When the water is boiling, I add the spaghetti. You can find different kind of food, different kind of juice, bakeries and desserts at channel. You can do anything of them you like and tell me your opinion. Now the water or this mixture is boiling. I add the spaghetti. After spaghetti becomes well done after 10 minutes or 15 minutes, they become ready to eat. It's a very nice and delicious recipe. You can do it home very easy without any bad ingredients, or you can do it at home very easy. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and write your comment to me. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you watch all videos in the channel and write your comments. Thank you.